Just entered this trade, guys. SFP from this high, currently trading above it. Let's see if you can get held down by this line. It's my trade. Fucking very close to my max drawdown. As you can see, my trade is stop loss above the highs, targeting 1 to 2. So just keep on still, see what happens, half risk, half just chilling now, I can't lie, chilling. And as you can see, guys, I have been stopped out again and again and again. To be fair, this trade setup, I don't even know why I took it, to be honest. We did get the SFP, but price trading above, you know, it's just signs of the fact that the high is gonna get taken or we're gonna break high. We got the SFP, but on the retracement, we were trading way above this SFP line, which is a very bad sign. It's a sign of strength for the bulls, meaning we can go higher. So it's pretty idiotic of me. However, I was targeting 1 to 2, so that's a start. Also, Bitcoin is in a crazy uptrend right now. I should be bullish biased right now, or have a bullish bias right now. It's just uptrend, 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 especially the last week. So for me to be shorting is a bit idiotic. Pardon me. It's just longs. It has to be longs from now on. I don't get it. Like BlackRock is buying bare Bitcoin. The sentiment is literally bullish. The Bitcoin bull run. This could be the start of it. It looks good. We literally broke out of this daily trend. Like this is the bull run. How am I shorting and fucking losing money when I should be longing and making money from this bull run? Anyway, we're moving on though. Don't worry. I just want to go over something, guys, with you. So as you can see, today is Tuesday the 29th. And you can see I am down 0.4 RR, only because I half the risk. So basically it's still minus 1, but it's just 0.4 because I half the risk. So I still lost the trade. Anyhow, you can see this is one trade where if I was just targeting a 1 to 2, I would have got taken profit. Well, I would have hit my TP. And if I not that one. Here's another one where I entered this trade targeting a 10 to 3 and 1 to 10. But if I had targeted a 1 to 2, I would have made that. If it was a 1 to 2, then it would have been a positive impact on my 50k page one account, but instead I have a negative one. So 1 to 2, another 1 to 2 trade that I missed out on. As you can see, not taking out 1 to 2. Same thing on AVAX. I was up 1 to 3. AVAX likes to push a little bit more. I was up 1 to 3, as you can see from here to there was 1 to 3. There should really be screenshots of the 1 to 3 target, but this is what the real life timing was. So I don't know if that even made sense. Here you can see same thing, same trade. 1 to 2. If it was a 1 to 2, I would have been up. Here you can see that this wasn't a 1 to 2. Just get it show me. Here, nah, just a bad trade. Basically, what I'm trying to say is 1 to 2s, 1 to 2s, 1 to 2s. You can see it's 3 examples. I think it was where if I had taken out a 1 to 2, I would have been ups, but because I wanted more, I've been stopped out. Too many times, man. My account balance is too close to fucking like too close to losing the account. But if I do lose this account and I buy another one, 1 to 2s only on that account. I swear to God, I'm gonna change everything on my whiteboard, prop everything out. 1 to 2s. Oh, just can't. It just has to be 1 to 2 and 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 2. So from now on, I just need to keep it simple, 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 simple. Clean chart, trend lines, SFPs, SVP deviations. That's it. That's my 3 setups. That's all I need. SFP from highs like this, as you can see. That wasn't really a good SFP, but this is just giving an example. SFP, trend lines are the best, as you can see from there to there. Bang, we broke out. Even retested it. Somewhat, you can kind of see what's going on here. Same thing here, trend lines, bro. These trend lines break out like a motherfucker. Look at that. See another trend line there. Break and retest. So let me zoom in for you guys. Trend line, trend line, trend line, break, retest, bang. Trend lines are the fucking setups. Why am I trading everything but fucking trend line? Like, I can show you my trend line setups. Quickly. Trend line +2 RR. Trend line break. You see that? Bang, bang, bang. Got the trend line break. Bang, bang, bang. Got Bitcoin here. Bang, bang, bang. Trend line break. Simple. Like Sunday trend line break. Bang, bang, bang. I could have made so much more money on this. We literally came to claim the higher though, but I took out right there because I was up. Look at all that money I would have made. But anyway, doesn't really matter. Something about the money. I just wanted to show you guys this.